and 3 days. I started feeling the baby's kick. My cargo at 10 p.m. Going into influencing heavily. I am 23 weeks today. It's a collagen moisturizer. I'm taking that leap of faith. Hey my G's, welcome back to a new vlog. Compliments of the season. We are in December already. Yes, so I'm actually very excited for God keeping me and my family alive till this very moment. So I hope you guys are doing great, my G's. I hope you're good. So I got something. I got this affordable hair from Fairy Strands on TikTok, and I love everything about this hair. I love absolutely everything about this hair. So I've actually opened it. Yeah, but I want to do a TikTok video wearing a wig or unboxing a wig or something. Though it didn't come with a box because this is actually an affordable hair. I just wanted a very simple hair. Yeah. So let me take this off. I'm supposed to be cutting my hair, I think, my Christmas hair, I think next week or so. This week, today is Sunday, I think 8th of December or something. Yeah, this is the hair. I love everything about this hair. I love it. It's so full. I love it. And the closure went in very well, like a Kim K closure. See how it goes. You know how you feel when you get something new that you've not worn. I won't feel like sleeping. That's how I've been feeling since yesterday. Guys, I picked up this wig since like forever, but I haven't had the time to come show you guys. Yeah, I want to actually go into influencing heavily next year, 2025. So when I get these stuffs, I need to start showing them so that brands can reach out to me. Actually, honestly, I really want hair brands, makeup brands, any other brand that is not clothing brand, even if it's clothing brand, depending on the type of clothing. Yeah, because I'm already a fashion designer, so whatever I want, don't mind this. I think it has started expiring, so I just want to use it for this. So don't mind me. I actually want to go into influencing next year. So I learned that it doesn't matter the amount of subscribers you have. Brands that wants to work with you will still work with you. So I'm taking that leap of faith. See you guys later. Bye. I am back. So I went to Everyday Supermarket to go get a skincare product, and I got this Dr. Rachel moisturizer. It's a collagen moisturizer. Yes, I haven't actually tried this before. I don't have a moisturizer. My moisturizer has finished, so I decided to get a new one, and I went for Dr. Rachel moisturizer, and this is collagen moisturizer. I think they have vitamin C, they have niacinamide, I think so. Yeah, I think they have 4 or 3 of this, yes, in the market, and I think they actually launched this not quite long ago. Yeah, so we will be trying this one and see how it is. It's Hamatan season, so I actually got this Koji-san for, okay, I got this for almost 6,000 naira, while I got this one for almost 5,000 naira, and this is Koji-san, but I don't think this is the original one. I don't think so. The pack of the original that I saw online after I got this, it was quite discouraging. So I don't think it has this red mark here. There's one red line here. So I don't know whether this one is the original one or not, but I won't have to throw this away. I'll try and use it. I want to be using this for my face. Let me just try it. If it doesn't work out, that means I'll go for the original one. the one that I think is the original one. So guys, if you think this is the fake one, just let me know. But I am sure this is not the original one, because the pack that I started seeing after I was done getting this one was quite discouraging. So guys, I'll give you guys a review of this Dr. Xoxo collagen moisturizer. So see you guys later. Bye. Guys, I am so happy. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy, my G's. I'm so happy. Guys, I just received a call that I should come pick up my Google Ascent pin. Yo, this thing has been stressing me. It has been stressing me for months. I got monetized in May. In September, I received a message from Google, from YouTube, that I should request for my Google Ascent pin. Like, I don't want to tell the story on this video because this vlog is going to be so long, so I will probably make a separate video on how it went. Like, it's been so stressful. It has been so stressful. I kept asking for the pin, and this is December 10th, and I just received my Google Ascent pin. Oh my god. My husband went to pick it up for me because I can't go out, so he went to pick it up for me. I'm so happy. I can't wait for him to come back. Guys, he just picked it up. He just came back to give me my Google Ascent pin. We've not yet opened it, you can see. Yes, so I just want to make this video show you guys before I open it and go do what I gotta do. So if it's possible for me to screen record the process of everything, yes, while putting my pin, I will screen record and show you guys, but not on this video. Definitely the separate video I was talking about earlier. I'm so happy. It's been a long time coming. I've been on YouTube for a long time. You all know that this is my second channel, so it is my first channel that got monetized, not this one. I'm still working on this one. We still have a long way to go. Like, I'll still tell you guys about the story of how this channel is going, because I don't even know whether I should quit this particular channel and open another one, or I should keep going. But next year will tell, because I have a lot of things in store for you guys. Yes, like I told you guys, next year, 2025, it is creating year. I'm gonna be serious with content creation. I have been serious, but I'm gonna be more and more serious and consistent on this platform and other platforms. Yes, so guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Guys, I'm the happiest person on earth right now, this minute, this second. I'm so happy, guys. It's been a long time coming. It's been so stressful. You guys don't understand. Don't worry. I will tell you guys my story on my other video. Okay, bye. Hey. I'm so happy. Guys, this is after 6. I've been awake since 5, I think. I was mistakenly lying down on my belly. Mind you, I'm 21 weeks and 3 days. My flow app says 21 weeks and 4 days, and I know the app is a day ahead. And my hubby woke me up so that I can lie down very well and not hurt his baby. And when he woke me up, I felt he woke me up because I was lying down on my belly. I immediately lay down very well and I couldn't sleep. But the way I snore, you can't even sleep on the same bed or in the same room. I'm coming, guys. I spit even in my sleep. There's Hamatan, so my throat is always dry. It started last week and I didn't even know what's wrong. Today is Sunday and I'll complete 5 months in a few days. So it started, I thought it was one of these pregnancy stuffs, but I noticed that if I take water it will stop. So I now noticed it's this Hamatan season that is affecting me. I thought this journey was gonna be a smooth sail, but it's not. If you see your mama, if you've not been respecting your mom, if you've been anywhere you see your mother, hug her so tight. It is not easy, guys. It's not been easy. A lot of things have drastically improved. The fact that I don't have to wake up being hungry. I'm happy about that, because before first trimester, I will literally wake up. I will literally wake up in the middle of the night, like maybe say 3 or 4, and I will go to the fridge, bring out blocked whatever that is there, so that it will defrost, so that it will not take my husband so much time to make food for me in the morning. Even if sometimes I will even wake up and that thing will not hungry me again, I won't feel like eating it, but let me just bring it out so in case this baby wants it. But thank God it has reduced, so that it will help me not to gain so much weight. I pray it continues like this. And then I eat 2 times now. Not like I'm making it, I'm forcing myself to, but it just happens. But before, sometimes I eat more like 5 times or 3 to 4 times a day. I'm always hungry. I'm just giving you guys update on the craziness that is happening that comes with pregnancy. See you. A few days to Christmas and it's been so crazy. Bye, guys. So guys, we've been wanting to take this picture. Why is my face like this? So guys, here we are, our Christmas photo shoots. They took the light and just brought it. I'm so happy. So guys, my thumb is showing so much. You guys can see it. I don't think we're going to post this because it's so obvious right now. Sir? Baby, in the video. My thumb is so big. Yeah. You see my cup? I forgot to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is 26th and we are just taking our Christmas photo shoot. I've been so tired. I was so tired yesterday. We couldn't take it, so let's go today. Guys, my nose, you can see how big it is. Oh my god. I'm a bachelor. Guys, we are so big. Okay. Hey Maggie, so we are going to take the pictures and videos. Obviously we're not going to post them because my bum is bumping. My bum is bumping. Guys, we are 22 weeks today. And today is the 26th of December, Boxing Day. So this is really happy. So I just finished making a content for Instagram or TikTok. So I just did my 22 weeks pose. Yeah. So I just to show you guys the bump that is bumping. Yeah. Oh. Hey guys, good morning, happy new year guys, happy new year. Today is the 2nd of January. I couldn't even have the strength, I did not even have the strength to pick up my phone yesterday to record anything, which was first to wish you guys a happy new year. So today is my first antenatal appointment of the year. Okay, I was supposed to go on 26th, but I don't know what happened. I think I was still in the spirit of festive period, so I couldn't go. So I've scheduled it to be today because every Thursday is actually antenatal, so no matter when you go, as far as it didn't take that long. So today is the 2nd. And guys, my baby is like hitting every milestone. God, I'm sweating early this morning. Okay, I'll be back. Good. My 2 flashes are on because the light in this room is somehow, that's why I'm always inside the parlor making videos. So my baby is hitting every milestone. So I am 23 weeks today. Yeah, I am 23 weeks today. My baby is 23 weeks today, if I may say. But the last days of 2024, since about 5 days ago, 5 days or 4 days ago, I started feeling the baby's kick. At first I didn't know what it was. Okay, for the past 4 days I've been feeling my baby's kick, but it hasn't started being that intense. But at first I didn't know what it was until I asked my elder sister. So it was as if something is doing me like this inside my tummy. At first I didn't know what it was. I said it was a bit shocky at first. I didn't know what it was. Then it happened the following day. I browsed it and they said by this time the baby is supposed to be doing hiccups or whatever. I didn't even know, but I believe it's my baby kicking. Then when I told my sister, she said yes. That she forgot to tell me that since I am at this stage that I'm supposed to be, you know, feeling that minor or mild kicking, and that is what I'm feeling now. I'm so happy my baby is hitting every milestone. My baby is hitting every milestone. I'm so happy. God, that movie inside the bag, I hope it will not copyright this video. So let me stop here. Let me go and prepare to go my antenatal. So guys, let me go meet the doctor. I have a lot of things to discuss with him. My leg started swelling, though for the past few days it stopped. So let me go complain to him. My mom said that maybe I have a lot of protein in my urine. Yeah, so let me go meet the doctor and know what he will say. Though it has stopped, but thank God I made a video before it stopped, because I started taking a lot of water and all of that. So guys, maybe when I'm back I will end this vlog and start a new one. But again, happy new year to you guys. I love you all.